Hi, so welcome to the podcast today, and welcome to our Q&A sessions. In this series, what I'm doing is answering a couple of questions that I've received from you guys as comments under various other posts that I've made, and some as DM sent to me. So if there are any questions you have and something that you would want me to share my thought on, just leave it in the comment section of this particular video, or you can send me a DM and I'll be able to help you to answer the questions and help you so you can become successful. Now, so the first question that we have on today's episode is, how can I make more money? Now, this is one of the common questions that I receive a lot from people, and I believe you've asked yourself this question over and over again. How can I make more money? Now, one of the lessons that I've learned the hard way is making 100,000 Ghana cedi requires the same effort as 10,000 Ghana cedi. Now, somebody would ask, how is that possible? Yes, that is what is life, because you see, it is not about how hard you work, it's about what problem are you solving and what value are you adding in the marketplace. So there are people who are like, here, work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. Listen, you can work hard all you want to work, you will only go back home with empty hand. So it is not just about working hard, because if you work hard, then you must equally earn the right amount of money that you have to make. So on this episode, I want to provide you with some strategies. In my opinion, I believe that there are three strategies that you can adopt if you want to make more money as an individual or as a rising entrepreneur running your business. So I'm going to be answering this question in two folds. In other words, I'm going to be answering the question, how can I make more money if you are an entrepreneur? Then I'll answer it, well, how can I make more money if you're an individual? So if you're a rising entrepreneur, how do you make more money? Maybe you are starting your own business or you are running your own business, but you know, things are a little bit cringy. Things are not going the way you wanted to go. You are not making as much money that you thought you could make, although there is a potential in the marketplace. The question is, how can you make more money? Like I said, there are three things that you need to look out for. If you want to make more money, number one, you need to increase your value in the marketplace. Listen to me. What problem is your business solving? The bigger the problem, the more important the problem, the higher your value is going to be and the more money you can make as an individual. So maybe you are running a business and it's a laundry business. Okay, that is a laundry business that you are running. Where is it located? Maybe it's located in a certain community where many people don't believe that they have to take their things to the laundry, or they don't have the money to pay for laundry services. Then the laundry business that you are running in that community, you cannot make more money. No matter what you do, the business will not go on. Why? Because your laundry business is not solving any bigger problem in where you are located in that particular community. So the first thing you need to find out is, what problem am I solving? You want more money, then solve a bigger problem. That is how you make more money as a business owner. That is the first strategy. Increase your value in the marketplace. So whatever business you are into, whatever it is that you're doing, maybe you're an event organizer or you are into bakery, so you do cake, you do bread and all that. How can you make money? Okay, find out how you can increase the value of your product, of your business, and make sure that you are selling the products to the people who will recognize the value of what you're doing generally at the end of the day. That is how you make more money. That is the first strategy. Increase the value. The bigger the problem you are solving, the more money you can make as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. Another thing that relates to increasing your value in the marketplace is to finding out how you can sell your products to a lot of people. And so that is why when I hear people, they are like, yeah, I'm an entrepreneur, but I can't sell more, I can't get a lot of customers. I'm like, but you're on social media. Find out how you can leverage social media to reach a lot of customers. Find it out how you can leverage social media to reach a lot of customers, because you have to increase your value in the marketplace. And increasing your value in the marketplace is also mean that identifying the people who may need your product and selling the product to them. That is very important. So advertising is key. Branding is key. Marketing is key. Now, there's a difference between branding and marketing. Branding is long term. Branding is the feeling, the thought, the perspective, the idea that people have of your product, of your business. That is your brand. And brand is not built overnight. It's going to take decades for you to be able to build a brand. But marketing is creating the awareness, educating people, and convincing people to come and buy your product. And that can be done on a daily basis, weekly basis, hourly basis, and technology, social media, and all that. You can leverage that to be able to increase your value in the marketplace. So you are selling bread. How can you sell bread to more people? Create awareness for your bread. Then make sure that you are mindful of the ingredients that you are using for your bread. So you have to make sure that you are baking quality bread, so that when people come and buy this bread, they are like, wow, this is the best bread. I mean, it tastes good. When it has a longer shelf life at the end of the day. That is branding. So you are committing into baking the best quality bread. Then number two, you need to convince people, you need to advertise, you need to create awareness, you need to make sure that you are calling in more people to come and buy your product. Because there are a lot of you who are running business, and the business is in your house. The products are in your room. Nobody knows about you. And you think by the grace of God, for some magical reasons, people will come to you. There are some of you running a business, you are like, I want to make more money, and all you do is to post some of the products on your WhatsApp status or once in a while on Facebook. That is not how marketing works. You have to be conscious on creating awareness, educating people, and convincing them on why they should come and buy your product. And then you are able to commit yourself to providing the best services, producing the best products, so that you can create your brand, because into the future, that is what will make you more money. So that is the thing that you must understand. If you are running the business, the first thing you need to do is increase your value in the marketplace. And the value increase can come from two sources: the quality of your product, up it a notch; invest in marketing, up it a notch. Now, somebody will say, Nhyira, I'm a business owner, but I don't have money for marketing. Listen, you gotta make some investment, and there are organic ways that you can also market. Like I said, you can leverage social media. So you can go on social media, and you gotta be careful about social media. I'm gonna be doing a masterclass on social media in a couple of weeks. Announcement of that will be available, so you can join that masterclass. It's gonna be a free masterclass, so you can join. So I teach you how you can organically use social media to build your business, organically use social media to become successful. But that is the first thing: increase your value in the marketplace.